Okay, guys, welcome back to Wednesday's directions. It's gonna be very similar to yesterday. We're still working on that MCIS site, still kind of going through our career project here. Still working on the research part. So here's the sheet we're gonna fill out today. If you're at home and you want to print it off and just handwrite it and then take a picture, that's fine. If you want to set up your Google Doc like this to answer the questions, that's fine. However you want to get it done, just make sure you kind of lay it out similar with the letters and the numbers, just so I know what you're answering. Makes it easier for me. So anyways, here's the sheet. It's very similar to yesterday. We're going to take the exact same quiz yesterday, and then we're going to kind of dive deep a little. We're going to take it one step further and actually look at some of the task lists and some of the work activities inside of those jobs. So, for example, hop onto MCIS. So just Google MCIS. Google MCIS. This will be the first site that pops up. The username is Park Rapids Area High School. So PRAHS. And the password is all lowercase, and it's just Panthers, plural. So we'll log in. And just like yesterday, you guys will go to just hover over assessments. Then you'll go down to the career cluster inventory. You'll click on the bottom right, rate this activity, and that brings you here. Okay, that brings you here. You'll take the whole test again. Here, I'll just kind of go through it real quick with you, just so we get the idea. So step 1, take this quiz. Oh no, clicking all over an accident. So there's 80 questions, same as yesterday. You may get the same results, you may get different results. That should be interesting. So we'll finish that up. Click our results here. I got my clusters. Okay. Now, first things first is, what career cluster am I going to look at first? Okay, so I'm going to look at finance, and it says I need to choose. So mine will be finance, and now it's 2 careers in that cluster. So I got to actually look for 2 different careers. All right, so I'm in the cluster. To find the careers, just scroll down to occupations after you've obviously clicked on your cluster. So now I'm inside here. Now I got to go complete jobs. So here's the list of jobs. I need to select 2 of them. So I'm going to click budget analyst, and brokerage clerks. Okay, so I'll write those right here. Brokerage clerk, financial analyst. I'm going to read through them. I want to figure out which one I like better. Let's say I like the clerk one better. Okay, I like the clerk one better. Maybe the hours were better. It made more money. Whatever. Okay, so I'll give a reason. And now I'm going to deep dive into that career. I'm looking for task lists, general work activities, helpful high school courses, and skills and abilities. So what I do then is, once I'm here and I click on the clerk, I just click on that job, and on the left-hand side here, it's everything I need. Okay, so task lists. I'll just click on that, jot down a few. General work activities. Click on that, jot down a few. Helpful high school courses, jot down a few. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Just keep working your way down the left-hand side, and if you do that, you'll be able to wrap this one up pretty easily, I feel like, today. All right. If you got any questions, obviously email me. If some of these directions didn't make sense, rewatch the video or rewind it for the part that you got confused on. Hopefully that'll help you out. All right. See you guys later. Have a good Wednesday.